So now let's go ahead and insert some nodes. Now the reason we want to insert nodes is because right now we have one continuous line. Now we do have some other pipes that are going to be tapped into this, so we need to use the edit utilities to actually insert a pipe node or a node into this network. So to do this is pretty simple. The first thing is identifying which direction your utility run is going. So if I select this pipe and we look at the Explore objects, I can see that my zero station is down here and I'm going in this direction. So maybe I want to switch that to go the opposite way. Well, there's a reverse utility run, so I can pick that water service, pick that run to reverse, click apply, and now when I go and actually do the Explore object, you can see that my pipe is going in the opposite direction. So it's going in this direction here. Okay. So knowing that, the next thing that I can do is insert these nodes. So I'm going to come up and I'm going to say insert utility node. I'm going to pick this pipe network as my utility line. The node type is going to be fitting, and we're going to put in an improvement. Now I've created these structures of T left and T right in my material site improvement manager. The T right meaning that the connection is going to be to the right. I'm going to choose that for my insert point. The distance along, I'm going to use this line that's here. I'm going to right click, I'm going to say at crossing line, and I'm going to pick that line. It sets that distance. I'll click apply, and now it's put in that T or that fitting for that next run that I'm going to have to add later as part of my network. I can work my way down here. This one's going to be to the left, so I'm just going to switch it to the left. I'm going to right click at crossing again, and I'm going to pick that point there. Let's try that one more time. At crossing, apply, and it puts that one in. Okay. We'll go back to the right. At crossing, pick that one, apply there. We've got that one in. So I just continue working my way down. Right click, crossing, pick that line there. Still to the right. We got one here to the left, so I'm going to set that one to the left. Okay, crossing, and it should be it. All right. So now we've got all our nodes. It's broken out. You'll see that they're different parts. So as I come through here, they're now different pipes instead of one continuous pipe network. You might want to come in and rename these. So what I could do is, start with this one, go into properties, and I can see that the utility line is water main 1. If I look down here, it goes station 0 to station 290. So what I can do is come up in here and say, utility line 0 plus 0 to 2 plus 90, and do the same thing for the rest of them so that I can kind of have some sense of organization of my network. But that's pretty much how you insert a utility node and break a pipe, whether it's gravity or pressure in this case, into segments and insert a node. Okay. Next, we'll take a look at adding in or creating the trench.